Welcome to Get Fit, Get Active.
And Get Fit, Get Active. Rachel, here you go. I want to make sure that you are liking and subscribing the video. Don't ghost me. Put a comment in, let me know that you're doing it. And today for Get Fit, Get Active, we are doing some seated mobility work, which I love. So if you are less mobile or you're at a desk or you're doing some seated work today, you can just join me right away for this 7 minutes. Are you ready? Okay, let's sit back. Now think about posture before we go. Only 7 minutes, so sit up nice and tall. I want you to just feel that you are slightly pulling in your tummy. Bring your shoulders back and down. Lift the shoulders. There we go again. And then place your hands on your shoulders. Circle all the way back. That's it. 2 more. Thanks for all the lovely comments, everyone. Bring your hands down. Lift the shoulders. I really appreciate them. And I'm so glad this series is helping you. Get fit, get active. Circle all the way round. Now bring your hands down by your side. You might need to shuffle to the edge of your chair as you do this. Side to side. Good. 2 more side. 1 more. Now both arms lift up, then open. Squeeze and bring it back. Side to side. Do it again. Let's go. We go up and open. Bring your arms in and the side bend right to left. 2 more. Up and open. Bring it in. Lower down. Side to side. Good. Now hands on your shoulders. We lift. Single, single, double. Bit of coordination. Now keep your hands on your shoulders. We're going to march. Here we go. 1. Again with the march. Now 4 more and we put those movements together. Ready? Single, single, double arm. Single, single, double, and then you march. And again, let's go. Single, 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 double. Good. Then march. Fantastic. Keep it going. Single, single, double, and then march. Did you get there? And again, let's go. Single, reach, reach, doubles, and then march. Now take both arms to the side. So we go 4, 3, 2, march again. How are you feeling? And again, take it out to the side. 4, 3, 2, and 1. March. Bring the knees up a little bit higher. Good. Do it again. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good. And march it out. Now we put everything together. So we lift the shoulders and then circle them round. 1 more. Side bend to the right, to the left. Both arms lift and open. Good. And again, hands on your shoulders. Lift. 2, 3, and then circle round. All the way around. Bring your hands down. Side bend. Center, lift, we're up, we open, bring it in and down. Now single, march, use your arms, reach up, single, single, double, take it out to the side. 4, march it out, 1, 2, and again, here we go, we lift, single, single, and double, take it out to the side. Ready? March. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep it going with your march. Now I'm going to take a single knee but a little bit higher. So we touch, bring the knee, then I want you to punch across. Good. Now if you can, take your arm to the top. So even if you are less active or you're at your desk today, come on, 7 minutes with me, that's all. Now I want you to tap the leg to the side, tap. And we'll actually link to some more seated workouts that I've got on my channel. So I'll link them here and here. And you can check them out. Good, tap it out. So you can always do a little bit more if you fancied it. Now bring the heels to the front. 2. And take it out to the side for 4. And then forward. 4 heels. Are you ready to take it out to the side? We've got it. We're going to put everything together. You know, I love that routine. Lift the shoulders. Hands on your shoulders. Circle round. Side bend to the right. Side bend to the left. Lift both arms up, open, in and release. March. There you go. Reach up, single arm, double arm. Take it out to the side. 4, 3, and then march. Now we take a single knee lift, slowly punch across. 2, take it up to the top. 1. Good, and again, take it across the body, forward with the knees. 2 and 1, lift it up. Good, let's tap to the side. 1. So again, just moving your hips. Bring the heel to the front. Take it out to the side. 4, 3. Here we go, to the front. 4 again. 3. Out to the side. Let's go. 4, 3. Are you ready? To the front. 4 times. Take it out to your side. There. Do it again. Now, 4 heels to the front. Have a march. Let's march it in, out for 4. Bring it in together. Take it out for 4. Bring it in for 4. In. 3, 4, and out. 1 more, bring it in. We're nearly there. And out. Just reach up. 4. Bring it all together. Arms out to the side. Now with your right arm, L shape. So we go lift, out change, and both together. Have you got it? Bring your arms down, bicep curls. With your fingers, bring your hands together. Flex, click the fingers and open. Hands, push, lift, open. 1 more. There you go. We are there. Deep breath, breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Well done, everybody. Fab session. How'd you feel? Do you want to do another seated? I'll link to them. If you want to do one of the other Get Fit, Get Active, please do. And again, make sure you like and subscribe. Leave a comment. I want to hear from you. And I'll see you in the next video.
Remember to like and subscribe.